is up, YouTube? Hey, thanks for clicking on the video. I'm going to do another install video today. Kemimoto was nice enough to send me out a windshield. This is a full-size poly windshield, plastic. This should be a nice quick video, pretty self-explanatory how to put these on. Not sure exactly what I have to do, if I have to disconnect the front of the roof. I know I'm going to have to spin these pod lights out of the way. As a matter of fact, I have some new pod lights I'm going to be putting on. I got some rigids. I keep having issues with these aux beams. But anyways, I'll unbox this windshield. We'll take a look at it, and then we'll throw it on. All right, there you go, guys. I got it out of the box. It's actually pretty thick. I'm not sure, maybe 3/8, but looks nice. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. You got a seal and these 6 clamps to hold it on the roll cage, and the directions, and obviously the windshield. So the directions don't say anything about this seal, but I looked at a picture on their website, and it looks like the seal just goes around everything except for the very top, that's going to be tucked up underneath the roof. I'll go ahead and put this seal on. I'm going to have to loosen the front of the roof at least to slide it up underneath there. Alright, there you go, guys. Got it all installed. Wasn't hard at all. The only thing I forgot to do, I forgot to take the outer film off before I put it on. So I ended up running a razor blade all the way around the edge instead of taking that seal off to pull that off. So I'm sure there's a little score on the plastic, but you're not going to be able to see it because of how close it is to the seal. But honestly, in person, it looks like glass. There's like no waviness. It looks perfectly flat. Nice, very nice. We'll see how long it lasts. You know, some of these poly windshields, they can get scratched up when you clean them off. If you got some mud, sand, whatever on them, and you try to wipe them off, sometimes they'll scratch. And you know, they all say that they're scratch resistant, but they always end up scratching. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted on Facebook or Instagram about that.